I found that there were Pokemon Go pluses for sale at the nearby Argos department store, but I opted not to get one just in case it didn't work on my US devices. Instead, I ordered it on Target and had Rob pick it up. So anyways, today I am going to be spending the evening in the East End. I think this has got to be my favorite of all the morph statues I've seen on this trip. So I'm wandering around in the Spitalfields Market and I found this place called Art Play. It looks like some sort of a cafe where you can also do your own art. Very interesting. I'll have to check this place out next year. By then my art skills will have improved a bit more. No way. Recorder-League is my favorite, so naturally I am going absolutely nuts over this. So this place actually sells Recorder-League on tap, and it tastes heavenly. Everyone always says that drinks always taste better on tap. They weren't lying. I never, ever find Recorder-League on tap. Until now, that is. After a bit of confusion, I finally made it to my walking tour group. Time for things to get spooky. So this is supposedly the best curry restaurant on the famous Brick Lane. I have got to stop by there next time I'm in London. Oh, I'm still on my tour, by the way. So my Jack the Ripper tour has officially ended. A great way to cap off my annual London trip this time around. So my tour guide is right in front of me, and I just gotta say, what's your favorite part about doing this tour?
My favorite part about doing this tour, I think, is kind of I'm trying to think of the right word. It's kind of unmasking the many misunderstandings, trying to give some dignity to the women, trying to give them back some morality. As I said at the end of my tour, I'm never going to be able to give them justice, but kind of humanizing them again. Stop making them just empty people within a case.
Very interesting. Such wonderful things he has to say. Oh, and by the way, if you want to do this Jack the Ripper tour yourselves, it's called the Ripper Vision Tour, or just Jack the Ripper tours, but they use the term Ripper Vision, and you will see why when they do the tour. It's really, really cool.